Good morning, nice people. Simple the best. I will give you a recipe for no fat chicken. On 400 degrees, you will bake in oven. You see, no fat, just chicken, organic thighs. Cover them with dry rosemary, crushed peppers, chicken is good kicker. I make my own. Lemon pepper, this is for you who can't make your own. This is combo, and garlic you add there. Lemon zest, crushed red peppers, black pepper, garlic, rosemary. Who likes can add pinch of Worcestershire sauce. Not my case this time. I like to grab little lemon zest. This is good kicker also. And you just bake in oven on 400 degrees. After maybe 20 minutes of baking in the oven, I'm recommended you every 15 minutes pour salsa water and fat what coming out from chicken. Same time you will moisture chicken and flavor it's much better. This is all, guys. Talk to you later. Chew, chew, chew. Stay real. This is the only power. Trust me.